Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is gonna be a little bit different day. We're gonna go fishing with Joe and Dave, and we're actually going out to see if we can catch some tarpon, but if that's gonna be possible or not, I'm not sure yet. But anyway, stay tuned, hit the like, subscribe, share button if you would like to help me out a little bit as well. And then I hope it's gonna be an interesting video that you all will like, and maybe inspire somebody to go out and catch some tarpon or whatever comes up. I would like myself to catch a shark. That would be absolutely great. I don't know if it's going to be possible, but I'm hoping, and then I'll see if I can put that on the barbecue and see how that tastes like. Anyway, stay tuned, and we should be on our way shortly. Enjoy. Yeah, it is so cool. You can see the little one sitting there on the right, you see?
Yep. He's getting pretty big though.
Yeah, but he's no feathers really. Man.
Oh, you want a cracker?
Are you in the right spot?
As soon as you let him go, there you go. A little bit off the ground.
Yeah, did he? You got one on? Look at that, 3 hours. 4.
You got your video on that one, Joe?
Yeah, David screwed it up again. 4 of them. Those are thread fin. And these guys, we've been feeding them too.
Yeah, sharp, right? I did the same.
Good job. Oh, beautiful day.
Thrown that one away.
There's some big thread fins in between too. To catch this one, we got fish on.
No, this one here. Come and get it.
And then hang on for a second.
We've all had our time at them. I haven't seen you pull one of them big suckers in yet. Yeah.
Well, no, I kind of loosed it. Man, that's a good one,
man.
Can you take one of my cameras on this film? I was like, that'd be cool. Or this one here. It's already running.
How do I do it?
It's already running.
Oh. Okay.
This is a big one.
Shark on.
Was that on the thread fin or was it on the dead one?
We're just starting. This could be a long
We don't know yet.
time.
The pole you pulled in, Joe, did that have dead bait on it?
Yeah.
Okay, there was a thread fin then.
Beautiful day. And we got a shark.
Let's get him on, huh? Let's see.
Is it coming in okay?
Okay, he's coming. So this boat is probably going to turn around and go nuts. What about the all the rocks up there?
We're fishing for tarpon, but I think we have a shark on right now.
He's head shaking now.
Rene's getting a little bit of a workout.
Yeah.
It's like an anchor.
But it is coming in. Should we get those lines, poles in the front out of the water?
Yeah, you might. I don't know if he's going to go up there.
I'll take a little more video when we get him in sight. Yeah, better.
He's getting stubborn.
He's going on the side of the boat.
Yeah, he's coming that way up there.
Yeah, he's going to come to the front. Maybe we should get that pole in.
I got all loose. I'll see if I can turn him.
I could try turning the pole. I mean, try turning the boat. I'm going to...
Oh, he's trying to
He
go
saw
under,
us.
huh?
He saw us.
Okay, you still got them on, so okay, we're okay. Oh, the thing shut off? It's dark.
There we go.
It's dark. How can I get it back on?
Oh, it's filming.
Oh, it is?
You got the, yeah.
Okay.
It's just saving battery.
I don't know if I'd like to see what it is, what I'm shooting.
Yeah, exactly. But it only does that for a few minutes and then it goes back in. Let's see.
Okay. I'll leave him underwater for a while. Ooh, is he moving neat? Look
There
at
he
that.
is.
There he is. Oh.
It's a hammerhead.
That's got to be what, how long?
No, a bonnet shark, isn't it? Bonnet?
Black tip. Huh? That's a black tip, right?
If it is, he's going home. No, it's
No,
not. It's a
hammerhead. I don't know if I'm shooting ahead, getting this in the picture or not.
bonnet. Here you are.
You got the...
For sure, he did love that thread thing.
Yeah.
Dave, give me my my phone over there. I got it on there. The fish was on there, yeah.
Oh, you got it on there?
Yeah. That way I know.
All right,
I wasn't
ahead.
expecting to catch one of those. There's one here.
Oh, and he's got one on up front. Yeah. They're not tarpon though, darn it.
I don't know where this is going. Oh, there we go. You still have yours on, Joe?
You might want to get that rod out of the way. It looks like it'll cross.
Yeah, can you take?
Oh, never mind it. I'd buy it.
It's just a little one.
Okay.
Little one.
Let's go ahead and film them all then.
Leave
I got a little one too.
I got a little one too.
I'm afraid he's going to come after that pole right there.
Which one?
I got the bait over the side.
Yeah, what do you have?
Yeah, another one.
Another one. What do you have over there? You have. They're all the same.
Yeah.
Can I let this thing go?
Yeah, let him go.
Or you want to have something home?
Do I look comfortable?
Absolutely.
There, what you got there, Joe?
Fishy! Fishy, fishy! Okay, here we go. I don't feel comfortable with it. We got one more.
Yeah, exactly.
One more. Okay.
One more to release. What do you want me to do?
He's on my rod. He's got it untangled. Yeah, he hit my line too. There we go. Let's get this guy up. There we go. Nice little shark.
What do you got?
I got a shark here.
I got a shark. I got a shark.
You got a shark too? Oh, there's another one there. I think there's something on this one too. Hey, we got fish on this one too. What are you doing here? Hey! I'm recording everything. You're on video. You're doing good. You're in Hollywood right now. Right? You got one, right?
Just a little one.
Okay. Let's go ahead and film them all then. There we go. There you go.
I'll get a picture.
Could be a little one again.
You see that one?
Yeah, another little one, I think. Not a tarpon.
It's a shark. I see him.
I don't want him to get
Bonnet head.
We don't want you. We don't want you.
Dave, we got some footage here.
Oh, he shook the fish loose. Oh, it's gonna live too, I think.
And smile.
We're tired of these little things. That hook is right. Oh, that's a good one, huh? Pliers. Yeah. You might make it. And you might not.
You think your other fish did
Yeah, I think you did.
I think you can take that camera out there and turn around. Just spin it around. Here, just twist it. There you go. Oh. But you know,
I think I'm holding my watch. Did you get my head?
And Joe, you need to go ahead and kiss it before you send it out
Well,
again.
they'll say I wasn't holding it. Did you get my head?
Yeah.
Okay.
Last of 4. That was cool. I think so too. Thank you guys.
Let you know how the shark is.
Yeah, will. Thanks.
We're gonna watch the
Thanks, Joe.
We're gonna go out again before Joe goes back. So, yeah,
Well, so bear with me. It's the first time I'm going to fillet out a shark, and this is how it looks like. So stay tuned. Well, while Dave and Joe is actually cleaning everything else up, I guess we got to go ahead and take care of this bonnet head right here, and see if we can get him filleted out to some pieces that's worth eating. So stay tuned, and that's what we're going to do next. I hope you enjoy the show. Well, it's the first time I've filleted out a shark, and this is how it looks like. Not too bad. I'm looking forward to see how it's going to taste. Got a few good ideas, but they definitely do look good. So let's try it out. Let's go ahead and do some catch and clean cook type thing. This is actually my bonnet head fillets from the shark fillets, and I'm going to make it very, very simple. So we're going to put in a little bit of lime, of course. We're going to put more of it in so we can really get into the freshness of it. See if we can get it out. There we go. I'll wrap it in this way into this. There we go. There we go. Bring a bit of. There's olive oil, but it's also lemonish. go ahead and flip it around a bit. It smells nice, which is really cool. Give it a little bit of chili garlic. Not a lot, but just a little bit. There we go. And then I'm gonna do some seasoning. This is basically the Everglades you can buy in any supermarket nowadays. It's salt, pepper. I think it's garlic powder or onion powder that's in here. It's a good mix. There we go. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put some parsley in it. The wind is taking it here, blowing it all over the place, but you know, that's what happens, I guess. And then we bring it straight onto the barbecue. There we go. Most of it disappeared though, but that's basically it. Let's see if we can catch some of these parsley pieces here. There we go. So here are the bonnet head fillets, and that's what we're gonna go ahead and put on the barbecue right now. Nice. Time to put the shark on the barbecue. Here we go. They look pretty good. And let's give them a few minutes and see what happens. Now it's ready. Let's try it out. Cool. So here's the shark fillet when it's ready and put up on a plate. Let's go ahead and try it out. Let's go ahead and try the shark. Looks very nice actually, white meat, and it looks delicious actually, so let's try it out. You're gonna like this. It's really good. I'm gonna let Amelia try mine because I know this is good. I want to see the reaction.
Doesn't smell like
Fishy or anything now?
oh my god,
It's good, isn't it?
it's really good. Oh gosh.
That thing's going. It's not the last bonnethead shark I've killed, that's for sure, and brought home. I'm going to do that again, so I hope you like it. This is very recommendable. I hope I inspired somebody to do the same thing. Barbecue it, very simple on the barbecue, with a little bit of lemon, lime, and I took some regular Everglades seasoning, and what else did I put on there?
Lemon.
Parsley and lime, and it actually is really good. So try it out, guys. It's recommendable. It is definitely not the last time I've done this. Just make sure you clean it out and take the time to clean it out. It's good.
Thank you.
So that concludes the fishing trip today with Dave and Joe. Thanks a lot for a nice day, Joe, and also to you, Dave. It's been worth it. The shark is great. It's not the last time we bring it home. You know, it's good. Hit like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. It's time to do like 3 and leave. Bye.